Our top 5. Best button maker. One number product. Mothhorn 3-inch button maker. A multi-purpose machine can truly make our lives easier, especially when we are in a business where short lead times are crucial to retaining clients. This attractive red photo button maker machine is a vital tool to keep your clients happy by delivering their orders timely. With a speed of 200 to 300 pieces of output per hour, it can produce a batch of 500 buttons easily. The 3-inch or 75mm diameter is the perfect size for most types of buttons. Its die-cast aluminum framework is sturdy, hence assuring you of durability. The handle is made of steel and will resist rust and corrosion, therefore, giving you a long time of reliable service. The metal base allows you to change the molds easily, thus increasing your efficiency. Assembly is very simple. After installing the base, place the top mold first and then the 2 lower ones. The final step is to install the handle by turning it inside the fuselage. The handle is easy to operate and very user-friendly. Its ergonomic design gives a comfortable grip and makes your work lighter. 2 number product. FASTTOBUY button maker machine. The execution of unique ideas needs equally unique but easy to operate tools. One such is this badge maker that will make pins and buttons to represent your unique ideas. It offers a 58mm button size and includes 300 button set, a circle cutter, 1 stainless steel badge mold, and 20 round art papers of high quality to take clear prints of your desired text, image, or logo. The body of the machine is made from aluminum alloy casting, promising high quality, sturdiness, and durability. The stainless steel mold is resistant to rust and guarantees durability. Moreover, with a handle designed ergonomically, it provides a firm and comfortable grip so that you don't struggle and stress over making buttons and get tired or waste time in the process. It's long and made from stainless steel and silicone covered, ensuring it lasts long without getting corroded. 3 number product. BEAMNOVA button maker machine. Got an event coming up and you need hundreds of buttons produced within a short time? Worry no more. This button maker is your trusted tool. With the 1000 button parts and a circle cutter, this machine will produce the perfect 32mm badges and pins for you. It's not only simple to install but equally easy to operate. The fiberglass base coupled with the cast iron body of the device makes it durable, sturdy, and stable when you place it on a flat surface. The fast operation of the tool is credited to the long and ergonomically designed handle that requires less stress and increases your productivity as you can produce more buttons in the same time. The aluminum railings give a cheerful and shiny look to the machine. On top, they are resistant to rust and corrosion, guaranteeing a long life and endless hours of badge making. 4 number product. Mothhorn button badge maker. This brand produces not only button-making machines but also other appliances, totaling an impressive 495 products. The company aims to provide a superior shopping experience to customers. Exceptional customer service and high-quality products are what set the brand apart, and hence, it is no surprise that they have been lauded both at home and in the international markets. The compact design of the machine makes it portable and easy to store as it doesn't take up much space. While the base is 11.5 inch in length and 6.3 inch in width, the height of the device with the handle is 19 inches. 5 number product. Neo button maker machine. If you are looking for a cheap button maker to start your hobby of making pins and badges for family gifts and mementos, there's nothing better than this product to set you on the right path. It can produce buttons of size 21/48 inches. With the package, you will also get mylar, pin backs, shells, and a circle cutter. With easy installation and operation, you can make many customized buttons, and as there are 100 buttons included, it's a breeze to make a start. The glass base of the circle cutter should be handled with care and kept away from the bench of your work table to prevent it from falling. Just refer to the enclosed usage instructions and you can soon produce professional-looking buttons. Thanks for watching this video.